Yeah, good evening everyone. Please let me know audio video okay or not. Let me know audio video okay or not. Can we go ahead? Sorry, yesterday class is cancelled because of power issue. Can we go ahead? Please comment everyone. Can we go ahead or not? Shikhar, can we go ahead? Yeah, let me write the problem. Before that time, so let me write the problem so that everyone will join. One problem is there, I will write so that everyone will join. Yeah, I am writing the problem. Consider the following routing table. Consider the following routing table. Sequence number, subnet ID, next one, subnet mask, next one I think interface. It is 1, it is 2, 3, 4, 5. Right, I'm writing. So let's come all the people. So let me fill the table. So sequence number I given, so 200, 150, 0.0, 200, 150, 64.0, 200, 150, 68.0, 200, 150, 68.64. Lastly, default, by default 0. Whenever nothing will match, lastly, what is the meaning of that one? 0, 0, 0. Fifth row, right? Fifth row is nothing but 0, right? All zeros. By default, instead of writing all, right, all zeros, I written by default. When you come to fifth one, whenever no one will match, right? Be careful. Next one, let's write the subnet mask also. 255, 255, 0.0, 255, 255, 224, 224.0, 255, 255, 255.0. Lastly, 255, 255, 255, 224. Right? So fine. It's going to be, if you see the interfaces, 4 here, 1 here, 3 here, 2 here, 0 here. So this is the table given. Now let me write the data also. Let me write. If a packet contain destination IP, if a packet contain destination IP 200.150.68.118, if a packet contain destination IP 200.150.68.118 came to router, then router will forward this packet to which interface? Can you go ahead? This problem is very simple. Can you go ahead? One routing table is given. So let me use other colors also. One routing table is given and he is saying that to this routing table means router. Remember, routing table means router only. Router contain routing table. Consider the following routing table. This routing table came to every router contain routing table. If router want to take any decision, it will see the table, it will take the action accordingly. Now see what happened. If a packet contain destination IP, this one, then it came to the router, then router will forward this packet to which interface? Let's see how many people will give answer. Can you go ahead? If a packet contain destination IP like this, came to router, then router will forward this packet to which interface? Most probably you will see one question like this. Most probably you will see one question like this. Can you try this? Can everyone try this? Go ahead. Can everyone try this? Try everyone. Everyone try this. I will give the answer. In the last class also we done the similar problems. It is a compulsory one question will come in the exam. Try. Let's see what is your opinion. Everyone try this. I will give the answer. Before that, you please try. Yeah, let me give answer. I'm starting. So those people who completed, can you say the answer? If anyone completed, can you say the answer? If anyone completed, can you say the answer? If anyone completed, can you say the answer? Yeah, let me give answer. I'm giving answer. Can you see once? Can you see once? Very simple. Do end operation with the subnet mask. So with the first row, I am doing end operation. Can you see? 1. With the first row, I am doing end operation. Can you see this one? 255. Careful. You have to do with the subnet mask. 255, 0.0. And one more my suggestion to all the people. Listen, everyone. One more my suggestion to all the people. Instead of doing with everyone end operation, the best idea in the subnet mask, whoever having more ones, do end operation with that person, because if more than one person will match, If more than one person will match, we have to take that subnet mask which having more ones. So if you observe clearly, this person having 24 ones. This person is having 24 plus 224 means I think 3. 24, 27. Here 27 ones. Here if you observe clearly, 16 plus 3, 19 here. So, right, 16 plus 3, 19 here. If you see here only 16. If you see here only 0, because all zeros are there. Here only zeros are there. So, whenever no one will match, then only will come to last row. Right, now see here, the person who is having more ones is the fourth one. Let's start with the fourth one. You can do blindly one by one, but unfortunate thing is time will waste. So the best idea is, which one having more ones, try with that first. I think fourth one having more ones. Let me try this. So if you see the subnet mask fourth one, right, 255, 255, 224, 224, sorry, 255, 255, 255 dot 224. So if you see the IP 200.150.68.118. Now because of everyone know end operation, right? All ones end operation anything. All ones end operation anything. All ones end operation anything. Now see this one. All ones end operation. It is not all ones. It is not all ones. Be careful. So you have to do this. I think 224 means 111 0 4 zeros. Let me know if anything wrong. What is the 118? 118 means 128. No. I think 64. 64. Yes. 64. Okay. 64. Okay. 64 means 1. 64 plus 32. 96. That is also okay. 64 plus 32. 96. 16, if I add 16, let me check. So I think 8 plus 4, 12, 5 plus 6, 11, 112, I think that is also correct. 16 also, I think. What about 8? No, 8 is no, because 6 only required plus 6, right? Let me check. 6, 0, 1, 1, 0. 6 means 1, 1, 0. Yeah, perfect. Now, if you do end operation properly, then answer is going to be, I think second one, third one is matching, remaining will not match. So it is going to be 0, 1, 1, 0 followed by all zeros, which will goes to 64 plus 32, which is a 96. This will goes to 96. So I think I done directly with the fourth one. It is giving 96, but it is a 64. It is a 64. So this is failed. This is failed. Fourth one is failed. Let's go for next highest. Next highest is 3. Let me go to 3. Let me go to 3. Same story. 255, 255, right? 255 and 0. If you see the IP is same 200.150.68.118. 118. If you see this, this is 200, this is 150, this is 68, this is 0. Let me know if anything is wrong. Let me know if anything is wrong. So 0. I think this is matching. This is matching. Third one is matching. Interface is 3 matching. So longest one you have to take. Remember, longest one you have to take. So the answer is third interface. Answer is going to be third interface. Everyone know this. Longest one. So don't do blindly. The only blunder what students will do is they will try to do one by one. Row by row they will try. First row they will try. Second row they will try. Third row they will try. They will try row by row. Why are you trying row by row? You want any match or longest match? If you want longest match, please try longest one first. If it is missed out, next longest one. You may say that, sir, what is the meaning of longest one? Whichever having more ones. In the subnet mask, whichever having more ones, right? If at all matching is there more than one person, longest ones you have to take. Longest ones is fourth one, but not matching. Next longest one is the third one matching. So take it. Take it. So I think I written the note also. Can you see the last class? Can you see the last class, last point? If routing, see this one. In routing, if more than one interface matches, then select that interface which have more ones in the subnet mask. because subnet mask more once means less host, means your destination is very close. It is a very, very important point. It is a very, very important point. Someone said that interface 3, correct answer. Exactly. Interface 3 is the answer for this. Interface 3 is the answer for this. Answer is going to be, right? I think a third interface. I hope everyone got it. Let me know anyone having any objection. Let me know anyone having any objection. Small doubt also there, let me know. Can we go further? Please answer me. Can we go further? Can you go further? Everyone. Can we go further? Shikhar, can we go further? Everyone say, can we go further? One nice problem you done. One of the gate problem I am giving now. One of the gate problem I am giving now. One of the gate problem I am giving. It is came in the gate examination. Let's check one time. It's a very, very interesting problem. Let's check one time. Consider the routing table. Consider the routing table. So it's a net ID. Net ID means subnet ID. Subnet mask. Subnet mask. Interface. Interface. 10.1.1.0. 255.255.255.0. R1. 10.1.1.128. 255. 255. 255. 128. R2. 10.1.1.64. 255 dot 255 dot 255 dot 192. Interface is R3. 10.1.1.192. 255 dot 255 dot 255 dot 192. R4. 0 dot. It's a very nice problem. Let's see how many people will give. Let's see how many people will give. Consider the routing table. Yes. Now let me write the data also. This router forward 20 packets. This router forward 20 packets, each to each to 5 destinations whose destination IPs are 10.1.1.16, 10.1.1.72, 10.1.1.32, 32, 10 dot 1.1.191, 10.1.1.205, then find the number of packets forwards to via the next hop router. R2 is this router forward 20 packets each to 5 destinations. Right? Whose DPs are, whose destination IPs are these? Then find the number of packets forwarded via the next hop router R2. So my question to all the people, please give answer to me. Right? Please give answer to me once. Read this properly first. First read it. Then afterwards I will ask few questions. You can give the answer. This router forward 20 packets each to 5 destinations. 20 packets to, right, each 20 packets to 5 destinations. Whose destination IPs are these? Then find the number of packets forwarded via the next hop router R2 is. Please let's check. What is your opinion? You try. Everyone try. It is one of the GATE problem. Let's see how many people will give answer. Right, now I will ask everyone. Totally how many packets are sent? Just I'm asking one question. Totally how many packets are sent? Please let me know. Totally how many packets are sent? Everyone try. Totally how many packets are sent? I am not asking via R2. Totally how many packets are sent? This router forward 20 packets each to 5 destinations. Whose DPs are, whose destination IPs are these? Then find the number of packets forwards via the next hop router is. So my question to all the people, how many packets are forwarded? Total how many? Out of them, how many came via R2? We'll see afterwards. Totally how many packets are forwarded? Totally how many? Via R2 how many? We'll see afterwards. Please let me know. Totally how many packets? Yeah. See, right, Shikhar, remember, for one destination 20. See, this router forward 20 packets each. 20 packets each to 5 destinations. So I think, right, I think for every destination 20. 5 destinations. What is the answer? I think 50 total. Sorry, 100 total, right? 20, 20, 20, 20, like that 5 times. 20 packets to first destination, 20 packets to second destination, 20 packets to third destination, 20 packets to fourth one, 20 packets to fifth one. 20, 20, 25 times 100 packets. Out of those 100, how many people are selected R2? We have to find out. This router forwards 20 packets each to 5 destinations whose destination IPs are these. Then find the number of packets forwards via the next hop router R2 is. Yeah, can you try this? What is the answer? Everyone try. Everyone try. So 20 packets contain, this is the destination IP. 20 more packets contain, this is the destination IP. 20 more packets contain, this is the destination IP. 20 more for this, 20 more for this. Totally 100 packets. Totally 100, 20, 20, 25 times. Now see one by one. Let me count number of ones first. I think this one, if you observe, 192. 192 means how many bits? Ones? 192 means how many? 128 plus 64, 124, 128 plus 64, 192. 128, 64. 192. So it is 2. 24 plus 2, 26. This is also 26. This is 25. This is 24. This is 0. Yeah, let's take the first one. See, this is the destination IP. Let's take the first destination IP. Be careful everyone. 10 dot first destination IP I am taking. D1, D2, D3, D4, D5. Let's see the D1. Let's see the D1. Everyone try to understand. Let's see the D1. It's a very interesting problem. Let's see the D1. Let's see the D1. 10 dot 1 dot 1 dot 16. If you see, I think a larger one you have to take 255, 255, 255, 192. 192. If you do end operation, 10 here, 10 here, 10 here, I think 16, 192. So there is no relation at all, 0. So is it matching? Is it matching? 0 matching? No. I think this is also 192. Is it matching? No. Right? It is not matching. And one more thing try to remember. 26 not matching, then I will try for 25. 26 not matching, then I will try. If you do directly 25, it may be tempting one. Some people are saying I will try directly 25, sir. So what if 26 matching? If 26 matching, how can you take 25? So 26 people are not matching for a destination, right? D1, 26 not matching. Then go for 25. Let's try for 25. Let's try for 25. 10 dot 1 dot 1 dot 16. So if you see the 25 means R2. 255, 255, 255. Lastly 128. 128. So if you observe clearly, 10 dot 1 dot 1 dot, it is also 0. It is also 0. R2 is not matching. Can you check once if I done anything wrong? If I done anything wrong, please verify. R2 I verified 128. 128 means 1, 1. 16 means somewhere else. I think end operation, it will become 0. So it is not matching. It is not matching. Destination IP, it is not matching. Then where it will go? Then where it will go? I think one thing confirm, it is not coming to R2. It is not coming to R2. That is one thing is confirmed, it is not coming to R2. It may go to R1. It may go to R1. Yeah, most probably D1 will goes to R1. It will goes to R1. Check once. Most probably it will goes to R1. When you do end operation, you will get the 0 lastly. I think it is R1. So okay, fine, that's okay. Let's go to so via R1, right? 20 packets will go. Remember, via R1 20 packets. Destination D1 will goes to via R1. But we want via R2. We want via R2. We'll see that anyhow. We'll see that anyhow. Don't worry. Now let's go to D2. Let's go to D2. What are the D2? 10.1.1.72. Let's go to R4. So 255, 255, 255 dot 192. 10.1.1 dot. So I think 72 means 64 plus 8. 64 plus, right? 64 plus 8. 192 means I think 64 will match. So 0, 1, 0, 0, I think it is 1. 1, 0, 0. I think that's it. 64 plus 8. 64 plus 8, 72. Okay, that's okay. It is a double 1 followed by zeros. So anyhow, it will give, I think in my opinion, 64. It will give 64. So is 64 matching? I think it is matching. 64 matching. See, I think this will go via R3. This will go via R3. Please check. So both are, see, this is also 26. This is also 26. If both matching, you can take any one, but only one person matching. So if you do the end operation, 64 you are getting this only. So via R3 it will go. So D2 will goes to via R3. Right? Let's go to D2 also. Okay. Let's go to D3. Let's go to D3. Just to doing end operation. Let's go to D3. So if you see the D3, I think what about the mask? I have to check the first R4. So R4 is going to be 255, 255, 255, 192, 192. Now what about the D3? D3 if you observe, D3 observe 10.1.1.32. 10.1.1.32. So it is going to be 10.1.1.32 and 192. I think there is no relation, 0. So is it matching? Is it matching? Right? I think R4 not matching, R3 also not matching. Let's go for R2. Let's go for R2. 10.1.1.32. So if you see the R2, 255, 255, 255, I think 255 is over. Lastly, 128. If you do this 10 here, 1 here, 1 here, it is a 0. So I think it is a 0. Let's see if I done anything wrong. 32, right? It's a 128. 32, 128. I think there is no relation. 0 will come. It is not matching. It is not matching. So D3 also over. So remember, D3 will goes to which place? D3 will goes to, I think D3 will goes to, in my opinion, D3 will goes to, I think R1. Verify if you want. If you want, you can verify. D3 also over. Let's go to D4. Let's go to D4. Everyone try to understand what is the D4. If you see the D4, 10.1.191. So if you see the, I think, right, R4, if you see the R4, 255, 255, 255 dot, I think 192. So 192. So let me recheck once again. Is it 192 or 191? Let me check. It's a 192 or 191. I think 191. 191. Please be careful. 191. If you see the end operation, 10 here, 1 here, 1 here, I think definitely it's going to be 128 only. Because, right, this 191 is going to be 1 followed by some more, 0 followed by something else. It is followed by 1, 1 followed by all zeros. So if you do the end operation, you will get the only 128. So is 128 matching? Is 128 matching? No. No, it is not matching. It is not matching. Now, if you do end operation, I think see this one D4. D4, if you do, I done with the R4 also, R3 also. No, let's do R2. 10.1.1.191, right? 255.255.255.128. So if you see 10.1.1.128, it is exactly R2. So with R2, I can say, with R2, I can say 20 packets will go. With R1, 20, 20, R1, 40, R3 till now only 20. Let's see one more packet, last packet D5 there. D5 there. Let's see the D5 also. Let's see the D5 also. What is the D5 here? D5 is 205. 205. Let me check here. 10.1.1.205. Next one, 255.255 dot 255 dot, I think it's going to be 192. It's going to be 192. Right? I think if you do end operation, right? If you do the end operation, I think 128 will match. So 10.1.1 dot, right? It's going to be 192. Let me know if anything is wrong. So let's see if anything is wrong. 10.1.1205, 255, 255, 255, 192. So binary format, if you have small doubt, write the binary format. So 128 plus 64, 192. It is also 192. Followed by something here, followed by zeros here. Check if you do end operation. If you do the end operation, you will get the 192. You will get the 192. I think 192 is going to be R4. It will go by via R4. Right? Let's check. Let's check what is the answer. Let's check what is the answer. Just to doing end operation. Just to doing end operation. Just to doing end operation. Via R2, only 20 packets will go. Via R2, how many will go? 20 packets only will go. Please check here. The number of packets forwarded via the next hop router R2 is 20. Answer is 20. Please check properly. Answer is 20. It's a very, very nice question. It's a very, very nice question. Please check. One routing table is given. I think this is the problem. One routing table is given, and he's saying that this router forwards 20 packets to 20 packets each to following 5 destinations. For the destination D1, 20 packets, destination D2, 20 packets, and so on. Destination D5, 20 packets. Like that, they will be forwarded. So out of them, how many packets go via R2? So you have to do end operation with all. So if any smart thing is there, please do smart thing. Right? You whatever you thought, that point of time, whatever idea you got, you can check. Right? Directly, maybe some people will say that, sir, directly I will do R2, sir. Directly, first of all, I will try R2, sir. If R2 is not matching, there is no meaning of minimum, maximum. R2 matching or not verify. If matching, then I will check extra. If R2 matching, I will check the R3 also matching or not. If R3 matching, I will go for R3, otherwise R2. Some people are saying directly I will try R2, sir. It's up to you, do whatever way you like. It's up to you, you do whatever you want. Some people are saying D1 directly I will try R2, sir. Try. D4 also I will try, sir. D3 also I will try, sir. D2 also I will try, sir. D3 also I will try, sir. Like that. Like that, right? Please check. So, right, after checking, I got to know that, right? Only, I think D4. Only D4 going via R2, so 20 packets will go. I hope you got it. Let me know anyone having any objections. Anyone having any objections, let me know. Shikhar, do you have any objection? Shikhar, do you have any objection? Let me know. Everyone, please let me know. Do you have any objections? Fine. Can we move to next? Yeah, fine. So these are, I think, notes I will keep in the group. In the group, I will keep the notes. In the group, today's problems, whatever I covered, they all are very nice. Today's problem, whatever I covered, they all are nice. They all are nice. Today, whatever, today problems, whatever I covered, they all are nice. All the problems are nice. If anyone is not joined, they can go for the regular course. If anyone is not joined, they can go for regular course, which is the 1 year course, foundation course, which is the 2 year course, crash course, which is the 6 months course, rank improvement course, which is the practice course, it's the 1 year course, mentorship session. If you have doubt, any doubt is there, you can you can take the mentorship session, you can clear your doubt. Test series, right? 1 year validity, it's the best test series, because last year many questions came from this. Many questions came from this test series. You can utilize this. You can utilize this. These are our rankers. If you want to be a ranker next year, you can happily join this. There is a offer is going on. 70% offer is going on. You can use this code. You can use this code. 70% offer is going on. It will be vanished. 1 or 2 days, it will be vanished. I don't know. It may be over today also. I really don't know. If anyone is not taken, so please take. Don't cry after offer is over. And one more important thing is, July onwards, there is no new batch. July onward, there is no new batch. Tomorrow onwards, classes are in EPT. Tomorrow onwards, classes will be there in the EPT. I'm again and again saying to all the people, tomorrow onwards, classes in EPT platform. In EPT platform, classes will be tomorrow onwards in the EPT platform. This is the code you can use to get the to get the 70% discount. To get a 70% discount, you can use this code. These are our rankers. This is the one. So test series is already live. 50 plus tests are already live. 50 plus tests are already live. Please utilize. Please utilize. These notes will be provided in the group. If anyone is not joined in the group, please join. There is a full stack web development course also going on. Full stack web development course with the DSA. Programming language is also there. And GATE CSE plus DA and placements also there. 70% discount. And CSE and all PSU course. All PSU course you can take. In India itself, best placement course is going on. You can utilize. Shikhar, from tomorrow onwards, classes will be in the EPT platform. Tomorrow onwards, classes will be there in the EPT platform. Don't miss it. Don't miss it. Tomorrow onwards, classes will be in the EPT platform. Don't miss it, Shikhar. All the people, please don't miss it. Can we move next? Right, fine. Yeah. Shikhar, yeah, we'll see. Same time. Shikhar, same time, 7 to 9. Tomorrow onwards, 7 to 9. Fine. Tomorrow onwards, 7 to 9. Chalo, can we go ahead? Chalo then. Thank you. Tomorrow onwards, 7 to 9. Don't miss it. Yeah, bye-bye. See you everyone in that, right? Tomorrow onwards, classes will be in the EPT platform. Thank you. Thanks everyone. We done approximately 10 classes. We done approximately 10 classes. Tomorrow onwards, they will be there in the EPT platform. Thank you.